excited. Just received my iPhone 14 Pro Max. Let's do it. Okay. We ordered this straight through Apple. And here we go. Opening for the first time. Alright. We have these flip tabs here. Okay. Some nice boxes. Oh yeah. There it is. iPhone. Box feels great. It's got a little, this phone is not just a picture, it's actually raised. So it's actually, makes it almost like a little animated phone there. Okay. It's got these little tear things, I guess, so that you are the first one that has opened it. Yep. Looks like that was meant to be done. Same there, same there. Oh yeah, as soon as I did that, it opens right up. All right, here we go. The unveiling, the unboxing. iPhone 14 Pro Max. All right, we've got, what color did I order? I think it was the space gray, or I forget. I definitely, it was either black or gray, but oh man, the finish on this thing is amazing. Wow, look at that. It's got such a nice gloss to it. And then now the cameras, they're bigger, and they also, they stick out, they protrude away from the phone more now. You know, you can see right there, they really stick out. So I guess all the companies that are making cases for them, they have to, of course, accommodate that. Oh, that's really nice. Man, I don't even want to take it out of the box, it's so nice. Okay, so here we go. All right, a little tab here. So I just lifted that tab and it lifts the whole phone. Wow. Just to show you how much those cameras protrude, they had to make an indentation in the box just for the cameras. Wow. Okay, that's really something. That's different. Okay, here we go. So, when I lift it out, okay, they've got a protective white cover over it. And here we have our cord, lightning. I don't even want to put this, let's put it here. All right, we've got lightning on one end and thunderbolt on the other. Okay. Let's take that out. Physical, boy, this thing is beautiful. Man, I know it's very instead of the like rounded edges now, it has the flat edges now. I think that's what they used to have a long time ago. I guess they're kind of going back to that now. It's got a nice little weight to it. It's beautiful. I gotta hurry up and get a case for this. I don't like having my phone out of a case. I like a nice strong case, and so I don't have to worry about any accidents or anything like that. Usually pretty good with that, but yeah, if it does happen, I would hate to be caught without a case because these things are quite expensive. All right, so we have our, it's hard to see because I know it's because it's black and my lighting isn't the greatest, but we've got what looks like up and down on your volume here on the side. That gloss black is really nice, but sometimes I guess it can reflect back when you're trying to video, but you can kind of see it there. And then there's this one on top is probably gonna be, oh, okay, it's telling me here. It's telling you on this cover here that they have on it, what these buttons are. Yeah, so your plus and minus, like I said, and this top one is just like usual, your ringer. It has a little picture of a ringer, a bell, so that's gonna be your on and off for your ringer. And then over here, they've got the power button on the right hand side. Of course, at the bottom you have your charging port. Yeah, you can see right there. And speakers. Man, look at these cameras. Boy, oh boy. Yeah, that's really nice, man. Really nice. I guess I'll pull off the face here. Ooh. Oh my God, it's so shiny. I'll pull it off, but I'm gonna put it back on. I don't even wanna. Wow. I mean, you guys know what it looks like. I don't need to. Oh well, it's off now. Look at that. So black. They have a purple one now. I didn't get the purple. I said, I'll go with the black this time. Yeah, but this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Can't wait to hook it up and transfer everything from the old phone to the new phone. Probably do a video on that. Oh, you know what? That might not even be possible because I'll be using the phone. I'll be transferring the phone information, so I won't be able to actually use the phone to make the video unless I use a different camera somehow. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I guess we'll see you in the next video. That's the iPhone 14 Pro Max, and I hear it's a beast. Can't wait to get it going. It's got all these new features that I'm looking forward to trying out. Let's just stick it in there. Let's put it back like that. That's how they had it. And there we go. Okay. See you guys next time.